Hey there, folks. Are you extremely busy? Do you barely have time to even take care of yourself? Are you rushing around, taking your kids to soccer or guitar practice, and you just don't know what to eat? Well, I am going to share with you a recipe that has no prep time, maybe 1 minute max, that you can make right when you get in the door, and in 25 minutes, it's going to be done. But before I get started, hit that subscribe button, the see all button, and tell me where you are tuning in from in the comments below. Okay, so what you're gonna wanna do is right when you walk in the house, you're going to want to hit the oven to bake on 350. Now, you're gonna let it heat up, but you're not gonna wait for it to heat up. You're going to actually take any vegetables you have. It can be tomatoes. It can even be squash if you have a little more cook time. It can be onions. It can be onions. It can be garlic. It can be eggplant. Today, I basically used what I had in my kitchen on my counter, which was garlic, onions, and eggplant. And I'm going to show you how incredibly easy this was to cook with no oil. I just used what I had, which was eggplant, garlic, and onions, but you can use any vegetable you desire, as long as it's not like a fatty fruit vegetable like avocado. And I'm going to show you how good this turned out with no seasoning and no oils. And you know, biblically, we're supposed to eat our food in the most natural state possible. I was raw vegan for 12 years. I've been vegan for 30 years. I eat a predominantly raw diet, but occasionally I like a little cook. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly how I cook these. This is super, super simple. Look, there's no oil, no seasoning, and as long as your finger indents on the vegetables, that's how you know they're done. No oil, no seasoning. And again, this is how biblically we are supposed to eat. You know, if you read Genesis, everything you are supposed to eat is in Genesis. So all you have to do is read the first chapter of the Bible. I always tell people the first 5 pages of the Bible. But this is clean eating. Now, of course, I had to make our bulletproof vest, which is a salad, and I did this first. I just crumbled a little vegan feta that I picked up at Trader Joe's. It doesn't even need any olive oil or any avocado or any extra fats. It's just really tasty with the vegan feta. So good. And just like that, our long-term content is over today, because why? You don't need any prep time when you cook like this, folks. So it was 5 minutes and one and done. And this is so great if you have a family to cook for. Make a simple salad that's like 1 minute, preheat your oven, just immediately throw the vegetables in there, no oil, no seasoning, and you are done. Hey, you guys, thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. Let's connect on social media. Andrea Lee Cox on Facebook, that's spelled Leigh. Andrea Lee Cox, Raw Chef Andrea on Instagram, Andrea Lee Cox on TikTok, and of course, Andrea Cox TV and the Detox Intuitive, my intuitive guidance channel on YouTube. Get yourself some veggies on the weekends, pop them in the oven this winter. You are good to go. Make yourself a big raw salad. And guess what, you guys? I have a free gift for you. That's right. I have been working with a top team of USA doctors, and in my free protocol that you get when you sign up for my newsletter at andreacox.com, you will actually get a free consult with those doctors. So go sign up for my newsletter at andreacox.com. Immediately, you get a free grocery list and your free healing protocol, and I'll see you on the other side. Be well.